Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia Oye in the building, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do one of the most expensive and great oil in just some few steps. So on your screen, this is the general benefit. These are the general benefits of the oil I'm going to teach you, and these are the hair benefit. If you use this on your scalp, this is the benefit your hair is going to derive from them. So guys, we are doing this with neem leaves, and we are going to be doing the amazing neem oil. So to do that, first of all, I dried the leaf to make them dry before I blend them into powder. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and also comment so I can interact with you. If you're already a G, please, you're welcome. You know how we do it. Comment, like and share the video so we get new family members. We need to grow. So guys, today I'm showing you how to do the neem oil I said earlier. Here I'm just trying to break the leaves into pieces before I blend it. I don't know what came to mind that I went to use that to trying to break it into pieces. It didn't work, so I used my hand to tear the leaves. I tear them into tiny pieces before I pour them into my blender. So if you have no idea what this neem leaf is all about, this neem oil is all about, I suggest you pause this video, go to Google the benefits of neem oil to your hair. Then you'll be amazed. It's not only good for the hair, it's also good for the skin, other heat rashes, and those who complain about lice infection. This is your number one solution. So after breaking my leaves, I pour it into the blender and poof, I went to blend it. So this is how the fresh leaves of neem looks like. You can just go back and look at them. That's how they look like before I dry them to look like this. So after blending this, I just went ahead, pour it into my cute bowl, and this is how it looks like, well blended into powder. Pour my coconut oil on it and a bit of castor oil. So here, don't get me wrong, if you have olive oil, any other hair oil you have, you can pour it on it, but this is what I want. I want coconut oil and castor oil, so I went ahead and pour it on it, then mix it very well. So a lot of people will argue with me that here I'm supposed to sieve it, but guys, this is the reason why I blended it into pieces in the first place. I wanted it inside. I know as time goes on, it's going to sink under it, and when it sinks under it, I'm just going to stay, then leave it to sink again and use the oil. I'm just going to be using the oil. When the oil gets finished, I'm going to pour another oil on the powder. I'm not going to throw the powder away. So you can decide to sieve it and throw the powder away, and when you want to do it another time, then you blend another powder. But I am a lazy one, so I will do it this way. So if you watch up to this time, please don't forget to like, share and leave a comment. So the last thing I'm going to do is pour it in a bottle where I'll be using it from, because I'll be pouring another oil on it. When this one gets finished, I decided to pour it in the jar, a bottle that looks like a jar. So after pouring it in that bottle, I pour my dry rosemary inside. So this is like 2-in-1 oil, rosemary plus neem oil. Close my jar, shake it very well, and my oil is ready to use. So fam, see you next time with another exciting video. Bye. Love you all.